People, so I'm back. It is like 7:30 in the morning and it's like pouring outside. And happy Independence Day, people. Today is August 15th, right? So no, I mean, my my divorce came through on August 16th 2 years ago, 2018. So basically for me, Independence Day has like a all new meaning. It's like, the universe stepped in to kind of give me independence when I didn't really ask for it also. I mean, it was just, it fell into my lap. So how cool is that? So that means there is a very intelligent universe out there who does things really आपके like for your good, so आपके भले के लिए. So I don't know why I'm sharing so much personal information. No, people. So there's this app called Discovery Plus, and it walking the Himalayas. This particular show, I literally kind of watched it yesterday, because it's all about this one man who travels from like he wanted to walk the entire length of the Himalayas. So beginning from Afghanistan, then he went on to Pakistan, then Kashmir, then Nepal, and finally his journey ends in Bhutan, where after which apparently the Himalayas, then it turns into Tibet. It's like the peaks and mountains become, whatever, they flat ground after the Bhutan kingdom. So it was quite an interesting show, people. So do try and catch it. It's called Walking the Himalayas, and this you can watch just by downloading the Discovery Plus app, and you can watch it for free. I think it is not. And Discovery Plus app, even if the ones that are premium shows, that is just 300 for the entire year. So it, especially during times like this, like it's nice to fill one's mind with intelligent things, like how the different terrains of Himalayas and all, rather than watching some soap opera or something like that. So really, people, I'm actually all dressed because I have to reach somewhere. But on that note, but I felt I have to make my recordings before leaving. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.